All right, so we're at Brad's Big Blocks. He's not Brad, and this ain't a big block.
Hey, big block by far.
Yeah, yeah. There's a big block right there.
Oh, fuck you.
Anyway, no. So the AC in this thing was running like crap, but my brother's actually got a machine, so we're recharging it. I charged it up, but it was low, and it was making the car run like dookie. So anyway, this is one of the machines. I have no idea. There's a lot of science and stuff. He knows how to use it, I don't. But if you have a Civic, this one's a 96, make sure you add some PAG 46 oil, because if not, you're going to burn up your pump. So anyway, right now we're evacing the system, and it's draining the PAG oil out. And then what's the next step? A pressure check?
So it's doing a vacuum right now to make sure there's no leaks in the system. And after that, we're going to pull the Schrader valves and replace them, because it's just cheap insurance. Because 90% of the time, in my experience, they're leaking at the Schrader valves. And if you pull the protective dust covers off and you hear pressure, your Schrader valve's leaking. So the only way to do it is empty the system completely and then pop them out. So that's what we're going to do. And it should blow nice and ice cold when we're done. And it'll have dye, so it doesn't. So if it does leak, we can find out where it's leaking from.
Yeah, that's going to be great. Also, if you're in the Oregon area, Salem area, and you need your system recharged, drop a comment down below. We can get you in contact with him, and he can charge you a premium for it and get you back on the road just in time for summer.
Premium? I think I'm cheaper than most shops.
Well, it's your premium.
I charge about $100. If it's a single system, I charge $100. If it's dual, like they have rear AC, the $100 will get you up to 2 pounds of refrigerant, and then I just charge like I think it's $10 a pound more. Most systems are under 3, so it's about $110 for, like, say you have a Yukon with rear or a van. So, but most cars are $100 charged with oil.
So
And new Schrader valves.
You heard it there, and you get new Schrader valves. If you don't know what a Schrader valve is, come right over here. I'll show you. That's what my phone does. Oh, that's a good blooper reel right there. Did you catch the Schrader? Did you catch it? That just happened. All right, so now that I got the butter off my fingers, the Schrader valve is what this is connected to, these fittings. And this is kind of what they look like. So they do go bad, and they do start leaking. These are cheap insurance. What do these cost a piece?
I don't know. I spent like $20 on that whole kit.
Yeah.
It has new caps. It has new Schrader valves.
So you got pennies on the dollar. Now, I don't know about you guys, but me and him, we've got what they call the full-figured condition going on. And being hot's not the business. It's just really not. It's miserable. Your beard gets wet. It's gross. So, anyway, check them out. If you're interested and you're in the Oregon area, I-5 corridor, drop me a comment if you're needing to get your system recharged. Help out your neighbor, you know. So, and he'll help you get back on the road so you're nice and comfortable just in time for, you know, the tanning season, eh? But he's making progress on the 68. So we're going to try and help him get that thing buttoned up as best we can so we can make the show June 6th. So if you guys are in Enumclaw, Washington, Puget Sound area, come out to Enumclaw June 6th and check out the Northwest C10's takeover. It's a really sweet show. A lot of beautiful, beautiful rigs in all stages of build, from the one they just pulled out of a field to, you know, award-winning show trucks. Check it out.